Hello everyone. Today in this video tutorial we will see the second chapter. So in the previous video we have learned about food and where does it comes from. But in this video we will try to understand the second chapter of your science book of standard 6, that is components of food. So let's start now. At the first, come to an introduction of the chapter components of food. All living organisms, that are plants and animals, require different components of food to obtain different type of nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. And these nutrients does not present in single food item. So in order to get these nutrients, we need to eat different components of food. Then we can get these nutrients. There are different kinds of nutrients and dietary fiber present in different components of food. The nutrients help in growth and gives us energy in adequate amount. So here I am going to define you what nutrient is. A nutrient can be defined as a components that are needed by our body on daily basis, which promotes growth, provides energy for survival and carrying on different activities. And now you can see here major nutrients of food, which are carbohydrates, fat, protein, minerals, water, roughage, and vitamins. Now I am going to define each and every nutrient present in food. Now the first one is carbohydrate. So where we can find carbohydrate? We can find carbohydrates in fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products in the form of sugar, starches, and fibers. Now, what are the main function of carbohydrate? The main function of carbohydrate is to provide energy to our body. And there are two types of carbohydrate. The first one is simple carbohydrate. It contains one or two sugars. The simple carbohydrate can be found in fruits and in milk. The second one is complex carbohydrate. It contains three or more than three sugars, and these can be found in peanuts, corn, breads, and cereals. And now we will proceed to the next one, that is fat. Fat also provides energy to our body. It provides energy even more than carbohydrates and provides enough energy that it acts as a fuel in our body. Now, here a question arises that what happens when we consume too much of fat? So, let me tell you that too much of fat deposition is harmful for our body because it causes a medical condition which is called obesity. Obesity is a condition in which a person becomes fat. Now, fats can be obtained from plants and animals both. So the examples are groundnut oil, soybean oil are extracted from plants, and butter, ghee are extracted from animals as a good source of fat. And now the next one is protein. So let's see what are the functions of protein in our body. So the protein are required for growth and repairing our body. They help in building new tissues. Protein containing foods are called bodybuilding food because these are the building blocks of our muscles. Protein can be found in milk, eggs, and pulses. Now, let me make you clear about vitamins. Vitamin is one of the major nutrients present in food. So our body needs vitamin in a small quantity, not in very large quantity, but in small quantity. Vitamin keeps our eyes, teeth, bones, and gums healthy. Those type of foods which contains vitamins are called protective food because they protect our body from diseases by keeping us healthy. And here are some components of food by which we can get vitamins, which are spinach, carrot, and meat. Now the minerals. So like all other nutrients, our body also needs minerals, not in excessive but in a small amount, and essential for proper growth and to maintain good health of our body. Some sources of minerals are nuts, fish, milk, and dairy products. Now we will see the function of water and roughage in our body. Our body requires a large quantity of water daily, from 5 to 7 liters of water, which help in digestion of food. Water keeps our body cool through sweating. Water also helps in circulation of blood. Now the roughage. It helps in proper digestion of food and prevents constipation. Flour, cereals, potatoes, raw and cooked vegetables provide roughage to our body. So with this, we have completed our topic related to all type of nutrients, and we will proceed to the next. Now we will proceed to the next topic, which is balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of food in appropriate quantity and proportion, providing different type of nutrients in adequate amount needed by our body. So in simple way, we can define balanced diet as the diet which contains all type of nutrients in adequate amount is called balanced diet. Balanced diet should contain carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. And now the next is malnutrition. Malnutrition occurs when the body doesn't get enough nutrient. In this condition, bones become brittle, muscles weaken, and makes bad effect on mental capacity. And the symptoms of malnutrition are weak bones, loss of appetite, enlargement of thyroid gland, mental disability, muscles weakness, and nausea. And now, here are some diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. So, lack of vitamin A causes night blindness. Symptoms is loss of vision in dark, and good source of vitamin A are carrot, tomato, green vegetables, and mango. Lack of vitamin C causes scurvy. Swelling and bleeding of gums are the symptoms. And good source of vitamin C is lemon, orange, tomato. Lack of vitamin D causes rickets, weak bones, decaying of teeth, low leg are the symptoms. And sunlight, milk, fish, eggs are the good source of vitamin D. Lack of vitamin K causes clotting of blood, bleeding from gums is the symptom, and spinach, cabbage, eggs, and liver are the good source of vitamin K. Now, lack of calcium causes bone and tooth decay. Weak bones and tooth decay are the symptoms, and milk, cheese are the good sources of calcium. Lack of vitamin B1 or B complex causes beriberi. Weak muscles is the symptom, and pea, potato, milk, meat are the good sources of vitamin B1 or B complex. Lack of vitamin B12 causes anemia. In anemia, skin looks pale and weakness are the symptoms. Meat, liver, yeast, fish, and milk are a good source of vitamin B12. Lack of iodine causes goiter. In goiter, the gland which present in neck appears swollen, and seaweed, table salt are the good source of iodine. So I hope you all understood the components of food very well. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.